Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is November mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini 8 sign. What's going on, Gemini? Okay, let's see. You are thinking. Okay, 2 cards, that's why I'm not taking. Okay, again it fell down. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer here. Okay, under the deck, Knight of Swords. The Sun, maybe you're dealing with Leo, 6 of Swords. The Star, maybe you're dealing with Aquarius, and Knight of Pentacles. For someone, a brand new person is entering in your life. And for some, there is stability is coming in your life, maybe in finances, maybe in your whole area of your life. There is some wish fulfillment. Definitely stability. You're moving towards calm waters, means obstacles are going to be end very soon, and there is some positive shift and big shift is coming in your way. Someone is rushing to communicate with you. So let's see your reading. Gemini, recent past, 7 of Pentacles, Judgment, and 8 of Wands. So in recent past, maybe you waited for communication from someone, and you want to make some decision regarding this relationship or regarding your person. Yeah, you waited for communication, and for some you received already communication, and for some you didn't get communication. Yeah, there is some waiting game is going between you and your person. Then present, Ace of Cups, 3 of Wands, and Queen of Wands. So you started loving yourself, taking care of yourself, and you want to take control of the situation here, and you turn your back from the situation. Yes, just you want to focus on yourself, you want to invest energy on yourself because you fed up with the waiting game. Then future, the Chariot, the Empress, and 7 of Swords. So they are manipulating you, they're playing mind games with you. For some they are just it is just a small mistake. For some, definitely this person is not trustworthy, guys. So that's why you are just focusing on your inner strength, on your inner wisdom. You are trying to move on from this person. Yes, you are in slow moving, but at least you are trying to move on from this person. Now you want to be emotionally very strong person, the Empress, and you will be. And for some, the woman in this connection could be pregnant or mother. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Death, maybe you're dealing with Scorpio. So it is one type of ending between you and your person, or for some your person going through some transformation here. Yeah, 5 of Wands, lot of drama, then it was ended between you and your person. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Their intentions. Wow. Lots of. I want clarification card for the world here. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus. Okay. Under the deck, 10 of Swords, 5 of Swords, the Star, and the Magician. They know they did hurt you. Now they're feeling guilty. They have regrets here. They want rebirth in this connection, Gemini, and they're wishing, they're praying for this connection. So their current feelings, Knight of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and Eight of Cups. For some, they walked away or you walked away from this connection. If they walked away, they have regrets now. Now they're wanting you back, and they're coming towards you with a lot of passion. Again, I am saying Knights. They are coming towards you in Knight of Wands energy. So Knights always in and out of your life. So while taking a decision, be careful. So now they really want to offer equal give and take, and their intentions, Eight of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and the World. World is clarified by Eight of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Moon. Yeah, a lot of trust issues involved here. Marriage is involved here, or commitment issues between you and your person. Still your person trying to balance things in this relationship. And Eight of Wands, communication is coming. They want to communicate with you. Yes, communication, lots of communication. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, Ten of Pentacles with the Fool. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. Six of Swords. So they want to fix things with you. Communication is coming to fix things between you and your person. Cards are jumping. I am not taking, again, Six of Swords, but I am not taking because too many cards. Yeah. I think you are going through some transformation, Gemini. Right now you are taking care of yourself and you want some space now. That's why you isolated from all and taking care of yourself. And then there are new opportunities, new beginnings, and you started your life in a very new way. Yeah, for some you still at some crossroads. That's why you want some transformation here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yeah, juggling. You're still juggling. Marriage involved in this connection. Definitely you're juggling right now. Maybe you have some trust issues. Maybe marriage is involved in this connection. For some other person is also involved in this relationship. That's why you're focusing on your money. But there is communication is coming and they're ready to offer stability here. But right now you're focusing on your own thing here. But you are not making any decision regarding this relationship. Yeah, because you have no clarity. I want one more card. Yes, you're feeling feeling missed opportunity with them. You're missing them, but now you're not. You want clarity because there is no clarity. That's why you're juggling here. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. I realized my mistake. New love is coming and I am very attracted to you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Gemini. Don't let pride get in your way, full moon in Leo. Don't show your attitude or pride to anyone. And under the deck, look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. And emotions are running high, super moon. For those emotions are running high, just do meditation to heal yourself completely. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.